welcome to the Soul Sister channel for your astrological forecast for today, Monday, July the 12th. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kat, and we are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies, and it's being replaced by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire body, but then goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity. It deflects it right back to where it came from. Now, while we're in the space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Cancer affirmation, as above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We're going to say it together and then stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Good. Well, thank you for joining me today. I am so happy to be able to tell you all that it is a wonderful week energetically. There's a lot of Cancer energy. We have the sun in Cancer. Mercury just moved into Cancer yesterday. We had the new moon in Cancer on Friday. So the energy is all about, instead of worrying about all this stuff out there, we're coming close to home this week. We're focused on nurturing ourselves, nurturing our family and our partner, making sure that our homes are safe and secure, making sure that we can get rejuvenated and renewed, and we can get the rest and reduce our stress from being at home in our safe space. You know, Cancer is all about the crab and the shell. So it's all about that physical protection, but that crab, that crab feels protected, and then it comes out. So that's like us. We're gonna make sure that we have a safe, rejuvenating space that helps us renew ourselves at home. And then we are going to put that out there. We're going to make sure that our family is nurtured, that our partner is nurtured too. So it's a great energy for that. Today we have the Venus and Mars are both conjunct moon. Usually don't talk about the moon connections because they only last a couple of hours, but when we have a lot of good ones, we definitely want to note it. And it's a great energy. It's fun. It's light. It's frivolous. It's just, it's a day that just has some fun. It's summer. Let's get our summer fun on, okay? And go to the beach, take a boat ride, take a hike, do some camping, something like that. Let's get into our summer fun on today. We also have a great energy of Mercury in Cancer trining Jupiter in Pisces. Oh my gosh, the fog is clearing. We're all of a sudden, things are making a little bit more sense today. We are logical. We are feeling more clear in our heads. We've actually can come up with some solutions for some tricky issues or problems that we've been working on. A great day to work with others as far as solving a problem, taking care of an issue, bringing in balance and alignment. It is a wonderful day for that. Now, the only negative, not really a negative, is that the moon does go void of course. It's going to be leaving Leo at 5:29 this morning on Monday morning, and it's not going in to Virgo until Tuesday at 1:30. So today, folks, the one thing we do not want to do is we do not want to sign any contracts. We don't want to start anything new, because when the moon is void of course, she's made her last connection in Leo, and she doesn't go into Virgo until tomorrow. So there's no energy to push your new project, to push your contract, your new idea. There's nothing to push that forward during this time, during today. So what I say, let's take a time out and have some fun, okay? Because, the rest of the stuff is just not going to work for us if we're going to try to start something new. So it is a wonderful, wonderful day. Just lighten it up. Do something fun. Don't worry about the skeletons today. They're not of importance. It's more important today that we continue to work on what makes us feel safe and secure in our homes, what nurtures us, what helps renew us, what helps reduce our stress, not only of ourselves, but of those we love, like our partner, like our lover, like our family. What can we do to help bring more balance and alignment into those areas of our lives? Wonderful energy to start working on that today, or to continue to work on it, because hopefully we started some good new habits on Friday with the new moon. Okay. Reaching your destination, your light is shining brightly. Grace and gratitude. What does it say? Through gratitude, joy expands. I thought I had it memorized, but I did not. Infinite abundance. Abundance is pouring into our lives. Whoa, baby! This is some real good vibes going on here. The universe has given us some real good vibes. So during this Cancer energy and this feel-good energy, be ourselves. Remember to take care of ourselves. When we take care of ourselves, then we can be of service to others. So care for self. Our light is shining brightly when we care for ourselves and our homes, and nurture ourselves and those we love. Oh, our light is shining brightly. We have reached our destination. Gratitude, as we are working on bringing balance and alignment into our homes, into feeling secure, into nurturing ourselves and others. Be grateful. All you got to do is look around, and we can see everything that we have that we can be grateful for. As we are working on that Cancer energy of nurturing ourselves, making sure that we're caring for ourselves, our emotional needs, our spiritual needs, our physical needs, then making sure that we are caring for those very close to us, our partners, our families, making sure that our home is a safe and secure space for us, that we can realign and renew ourselves. As we look around, make sure that we are grateful for what we have. I always say this, I'm going to say it again. it is so potent. This is really strong work. When we're grateful, we open up all the channels to receive what? Segue. Abundance. We can receive all the abundance coming our way as long as we take the time to be grateful for what we have, even the challenges in our life. Hey, universe, spirit, thanks a lot for this opportunity to grow. One of my favorite lines. But even though I'm facetious, I am grateful for the opportunity. So, be true to ourselves today. Let our light shine. Remember to be grateful for everything that we have. If we can't think of anything, be grateful that we didn't trip over the cat when we got out of the bed today, even though we don't have a cat. And once we're grateful, just watch those the abundance channel open up and all this incredible energy come our way. So enjoy your Monday. Have fun. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. And remember this, you guys, life is lived from the inside out. Have a great Monday. Namaste.